Should you hold or sell Cats coin? Hey Crypto Hook family! Welcome back to the channel, and today, we've got an exciting update for you. Finally, the new update for the Cats Airdrop has landed, and I'm here to break down all the key details for you. But before we jump into the airdrop details, I've got a special giveaway just for you. It's super easy to participate, there's nothing extra you need to do. All you have to do is watch this video in full, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Then, in the comments section, let me know why you want dollars. As soon as we hit 300 likes on this video, I'll randomly pick one person to receive at least $60. Sounds good, right? So, stay tuned till the end and keep supporting Crypto Hook. Alright, let's dive into today's main topic, Cats coin. Should you hold or sell after its listing? Let's find out. What is Cats coin? First things first, let's talk about what Cats coin is. Launched as a meme coin with a twist, Cats coin has quickly gained traction in the crypto space. It's part of the TON ecosystem and is driven by a strong, community-centered vision. But what is it that makes Cats coin stand out in a sea of meme coins? Cats coin is more than just another meme coin. While it shares some similarities with popular meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, its connection to the TON ecosystem gives it a unique edge. This coin benefits from a highly engaged community and has gained a lot of attention due to its promising potential. Should you hold or sell Cats coin? Now, the big question, should you hold or sell after its listing? Before making any decisions, it's important to understand the market dynamics surrounding Cats coin. The coin has already shown strong pre-market performance, with early trades indicating substantial interest. But how does it compare to the big names like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu? Meme coins tend to be driven by community sentiment, and Cats coin is no different. However, it has some unique factors that could play a crucial role in its post-listing price action. Factors influencing Cats coin price. There are several key factors that could affect Cats coin's price after its listing. Let's break down the most important ones. Market sentiment. How the overall crypto market feels about meme coins, and specifically Cats coin, will play a huge role. General crypto trends. Are we in a bull or bear market? Meme coins often perform better during bull runs. Cats coin specific events. Any news, updates, or developments from the Cats coin team can significantly influence the price. Technical analysis of Cats coin. For all you chart lovers out there, let's do a technical analysis of Cats coin. We'll look at key indicators such as RSI, Relative Strength Index, to see if the coin is overbought or oversold. MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, this will help us spot potential reversals in the coin's price. Moving averages, these can give us insights into the longer-term trends of Cats coin's price movements. By looking at these indicators, we can get a clearer picture of where Cats coin might be headed. Fundamental analysis of Cats coin. Next, let's dive into some fundamental analysis. Here, we'll be looking at the bigger picture factors like market cap. How big is Cats coin in terms of market capitalization? Trading volume. Are people actively trading Cats coin, or is volume low? Community strength. A coin is only as strong as its community, and Cats coin seems to have a vibrant, growing base of supporters. A strong community can often be the deciding factor between a coin that flops and one that soars. What are the experts saying? Let's turn to some expert opinions. We'll gather insights from top crypto analysts and influencers to get their take on whether it's better to hold or sell Cats coin. Their analyses are usually based on a combination of technical data, fundamental indicators, and market sentiment. But remember, no matter what the experts say, it's always crucial to do your own research before making any decisions. Risks of holding or selling Cats coin. As with any cryptocurrency, investing in Cats coin comes with its risks. The crypto market is volatile, and meme coins are often even more so. Some potential risks include market volatility. Meme coins can experience huge swings in price, both upwards and downwards. Regulatory concerns. Regulatory actions in the crypto space can have an unexpected impact on meme coins like Cats coin. We'll discuss these risks in more detail to ensure you're well prepared, no matter what decision you make. If you hold Cats coin. If you decide to hold Cats coin, you'll want to have a strategy in place. HODLing, holding on for dear life. can be rewarding if you believe in the long-term vision of the coin. We'll discuss some holding strategies that could help you maximize your potential gains over time. If you sell Cats coin. On the flip side, if you're leaning towards selling, timing is everything. We'll go over a step-by-step guide on how to sell Cats coin effectively. We'll also give you tips on timing your sale to ensure you get the best possible price. Case studies. How have other meme coins performed? To give you a better idea of what might happen with Cats coin, let's take a look at some case studies of other meme coins and how they performed after their initial listings. We'll examine coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu to see what we can learn and apply to Cats coin. What does the Cats coin community think? Community sentiment plays a huge role in the success of meme coins. So, let's take a look at what the Cats coin community is saying. We'll review polls, discussions, and social media buzz to get a feel for the overall sentiment among current holders and potential sellers. Should you hold or sell Cats coin? So, should you hold or sell Cats coin after its listing? Ultimately, the decision is yours, but we've provided you with all the necessary information to make an informed choice. Just remember to always do your own research, weigh the risks and rewards, and invest wisely. Stay connected with Crypto Hook. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the Crypto Hook channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the Cats Airdrop. Keep an eye on this channel for more updates, giveaways, and valuable crypto insights. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.